Hello Coachity families. Today I'm going to show you how to use your APS ID to launch Google Meet on your cell phone. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your App Store and download Google Meet. It's a free app and it's easy to use. Once you've done that, you're going to find it on your cell phone and tap the Meet button. And it'll take you to the sign-in page. Once you're in the sign-in page, you'll either get a page that looks like this if you do not have any Gmail accounts associated with your cell phone. You'll see this page. If not, you will see a page that looks like this. And from here, we're not going to use any of these accounts that you already have on your cell phone. We're going to add another account right here. So press this plus button, and it'll take you to this page right here. And right here is where you're going to enter in your student ID number. Your student ID number is a 9-digit number, and you can get that from your teacher, or the office can give it to you. Just when you're doing it, make sure that you put the whole 9 digits in, and you also put @aps.edu. That's very important. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and press next, and it'll prompt you for a password. Your password is going to be your first initial, last initial, dot, and then your date of birth. So here's an example right here. So you can also request this from the office if you are unsure of your initials, if you have multiple last names. Next, we're going to go here. It'll sign you in. If you notice here, it says join a meeting. So you can, if you are an APS student, you are not allowed to create a meeting. You can only join a meeting, and you can tap on that, and you can enter in a nickname if they give you one, or the meeting code if they give you one of those. And this is where you'll put it there. But most of you, what you'll have to do is you'll go to your teacher's website and get the Google Meet from there. And the way you do that is you open up your launcher and type in coachity.aps.edu, and this will take you to our home page, our Coachity homepage. Click on the cougar, and this takes us to our distance learning page, and this is where you can find out news of what's happening at school. And if you scroll down, you're going to click on this cougar again because we need to go to the distance learning websites. So these websites are put together by all the teachers at Coachity. So you scroll until you find your teacher that you're trying to meet up with because you have class going on. So next, we're going to try pre-K this time. So we're going to go to pre-K. So we're going to tap on pre-K. And here we're in pre-K, and today we're going to go to Miss Jones' class. We have a class with Miss Joan this morning, and we're going to go here, tap on Miss Joan, and that will launch her website. So from here, you're going to grab her Google Meet. You can take a look at her website, but we're going to go to Google Meet because we have class this morning. Tap on that, and that will launch your Google Meet. So right here is is what you'll see, and you can put your camera on or your audio on. That's where all your mute buttons is, and your video camera. And you might have to allow access for your microphone and allow access for your video as well. So then now no one's here yet because nothing's happening because it's Saturday, but that's how it'll look. And right here what I'm showing you is the 3 dots on the bottom. That's as if your teacher asks you to present. That's where you're going to find that. And I think I click on that just to show you what that looks like. Let's see. Yep, and there's a share screen. So if you want to if they ask you to share screens, that's not really happening right now, but that's where that lives if that does happen, if they ask you to share your screen, and that's where that is. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please call the school, let us know. I hope this really helped you out. So thank you and have a great day.